India is likely to get an indigenous COVID-19 vaccine for children by September or just after it, Professor Priya Abraham, director of ICMR, National Institute of Virology, said. Her statement came amid ongoing phase 2 and 3 trials of Bharat Biotech's Covaxin for the 2 to 18 age group. The results of the trials are going to be available very soon, she added. A Delhi court today discharged Congress leader Shashi Tharoor in a case related to his wife Sunanda Pushkar's death. Tharoor thanked the court for discharging him and said, "It's been 7.5 years of absolute torture. I'm so grateful." Sunanda Pushkar was found dead in a suite of a luxury hotel in Delhi on the night of January 17, 2014. The Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) should be an autonomous body like the Election Commission of India, the Madurai bench of Madras High Court has said, while hearing a plea seeking a CBI probe into an alleged financial fraud of Rs 300 crore in Ramanathapuram district. Justices N. Kirubakaran and Justice P. Pugalendi said CBI should function independently like the Election Commission of India. Afghanistan's first vice president and former spy Amrullah Saleh declared himself the caretaker president of Afghanistan after President Ashraf Ghani fled the country. Saleh, who is in Panjshir Valley that's still free from Taliban control, has been collecting support to resist the Taliban. Previously, the 48-year-old worked for Afghanistan's intelligence agency and the Interior Ministry. 16 people have been pulled out alive from rubble in Haiti 3 days after a 7.2 magnitude earthquake hit the country, according to Haiti's Civil Protection Agency. 9 dead bodies were also removed from the rubble, the agency added in a Twitter post. The earthquake has killed nearly 2,000 people. The World Health Organization has issued an alert saying that falsified Covishield COVID-19 vaccine has been reported at the patient level in Uganda and India. The genuine manufacturer of Covishield, Serum Institute of India, has confirmed that the products listed in the alert are falsified. Serum Institute of India does not produce Covishield in 2 ml, WHO said while sharing a picture of vials from India. Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik felicitated the Indian national hockey teams that scripted history with their brilliant performance at the Tokyo Olympics. In recognition of their achievement and their potential to be the top teams in the world, the Chief Minister announced that Odisha will continue to sponsor Indian hockey teams for another 10 years.